All right. So first of all, I will start some homework. The first question was minor and measure and minor structure mapping. Provide two example. And in this question, you have to mark the first external like measure structure and the internal structure, minor structure. Right. Let's see. Not sure what here. Okay. Okay. All right. So in this case, as you can see here, where is the major structure? Where is the minor structure in this case? So first of all is here, which one you mark? This is a lower low. Inducement not here. Inducement is here because market move something like this, right? So first internal high act like a inducement. And after taking out this inducement is here, this low is a confirm here, correct? Then what happened? Market push higher, and these are all internal structure. And market break the structure is here, and after break the structure, candle closer below it. And where is the inducement in this case? After break the structure, where is inducement? Everyone, okay? All right. Okay, correct. So in this case, after break the structure, where is the our inducement? Inducement is our first internal high, which is here. Uh, here. After break the structure, candle closer below it. In this case, market push higher, taking out this high, this low will be confirmed. But market did not break this low, and market push downside and create new low. New structure is here. Correct. So after break the structure, where is our inducement is here. Market taken out the inducement is here. And then what happened here? Market just sweep the liquidity. And the next attempt is here. And this become our new inducement. Okay, sorry for. Okay, so in this case, what happened here? Market create new structure is here, and after that, what happened here? What we can expect in this case? Market taken out the inducement is here, like here, right? Market taken out the inducement, confirmed lower low is here. So right now we have a structure something like this, okay? And then what happened? Market push again higher, and then what happened here? Same thing happened here. Taken out the minor inducement is here, and I think if this sweep this low, so this will be new inducement, correct? If not, so this will be. So market push again downside. This is our break of structure, and then what happened here? Market go again higher, and then same thing happen here. Market push downside, and this is our new inducement. Market must be taken out the inducement to confirm this low. If not, so you have to pay attention to break this minor structure, and this can be a new inducement. It's depend on the market strength, right? So let's see what happened next here in the next one. So overall, this is a good. All right. Now let's switch into the another one is here. Okay, so what is this? Major structure and minor structure. Okay, major structure is here. Perfect. Now let's change the color. This is our major structure, but in a 15-minute structure is a looks very clear. If you're looking at same structure in a 15-minute, then you can see more clear. But in a 1 hour, this is not much clear, because in a 1 hour just sweep the liquidity. So this is not a pause, correct? So if you are looking same zone in a 15-minute structure, then you can see more clear and better, correct? So you have to remember before the marking a structure in a time frame. So in a 1 hour time frame, this is a not much clear and better. And if you are marking in a 15-minute, then you can understand, if you can see mark good compared to the 1 hour, right? So as per the 1 hour time frame, this is a just inducement is here, and the structure is here like this, correct? Possibly to the downside. But next time, keep in your mind in a 15-minute, correct, and mark the correct structure. So as per the 1 hour, this is a not much valid. All right. Now let's see another one. All right. So this one is our, okay, major structure. Perfect. Looks very good. Okay, this is our major structure, break of structure, push downside. Okay, so in this case, you can see here, market just sweep the liquidity. So in a first attempt, this is a not pause. This one is a just sweep the liquidity. In the next attempt, what happened here? Market just close barely like below it. So we can, and the next attempt is here. This one is a more clear and better. So our structure looks like this, right? Because this is our measure high and measure low, and between this high or low, this is our internal structure is here, like, okay, and the same thing happen here. And I think you mark this as a boss. As per this one, this is a, okay, but overall this one is here. This one is a sweep the liquidity. All right, boss. And at this case, this is not taken out the inducement, so this is a not a proper boss is there. In the next attempt is a boss. Okay, overall a good try, but you have to remember to mark the structure. 2-3 things you need to understand. First thing, market break the structure, market must be closer above the previous high or low. And the second thing, market must be taken out the minor internal high or low, you can say inducement. Then our lower low is a confirm, and you can say higher high is a confirm in a bullish market, right? Okay, overall good. And now let's see another one. Okay, Sandra, 1 hour time frame. In the 1 hour time frame, this one starting is here. Okay, break of structure is here. Okay, and I think at this point, if you can see, this is a minor inducement is here. So in this case, taking out the inducement, and we can mark this is a next move is here, something like this. And the first attempt, if this is a sweep of the liquidity, and the next attempt is a close of it. So this become our new break of structure is here, correct? And market push higher and higher. And at this time, I think this one, yeah. So this become our new structure is here. Again, break the structure, push downside. This one become our new change of character, sweep the inducement, new high, and something like this. Again, change of character. And then what happened? Again, pause, taken out the inducement, new structure, go higher and higher. I think this one is an inducement, right? Okay, perfect. All right. Okay, looks like you need to more practice, but well try. Okay, now let's switch into the another one. Okay, so this one you mark the major and minor. I don't know where is the minor and major your structure. Okay, the purple one is a minor and yellow is a major. Okay, perfect. So your major structure range between this one and this one. Okay, the minor chalk, taking out the inducement. Okay, perfect. Taken out inducement. Okay, perfect. Looks very good and cleaner and sharper. Okay, looks good. Okay, so same thing happen here. You mark this is our measure range between this high to, I think, where is the, okay, this one. All right, inducement, taken out the inducement. Okay, perfect. Inducement and go higher. Break off structure. Looks interesting. Okay, this one. All right. Perfect. Good job. And the next one. Euro USD 1 day time frame. Okay, measure structure. At this point, if you can see here, which you mark the measure structure, if I'm marking the top of the structure is here, high is here, and low is here as per your structure. And in this case, this one is not like our pullback. Why? Because the our inducement is here. That's why this lower low is not confirmed here. Okay. So what happened here? Market push downside. Okay, and break the structure and here. Perfect. Okay, so our lower low is a confirm here. Okay, something like this. And the next attempt, what happened here? Market taken out this inducement and this one. Okay, and market again go higher, taken after taking out the inducement, market again push downside. Where is the our next inducement? I think right now is no. This is a entire single candle. Sorry, single move. So right now is a, yeah, at least taken out this inducement and then we can sell, at least taken out this one. So this is our single leg. Okay. Now let's see another one. All right. Break of structure is here, and after break the structure on the top of the structure is here. Okay, inducement and go higher. Break of structure, push downside, take out the inducement and go lower. Yes, technically this one is a break of structure and this is inducement. Perfect. And between this measure high low, if anything happen between this measure high low and this is our whole internal structure. Okay. All right, now let's see another one. Okay, break the structure, taking out the inducement, and what happened here? What you did here? I don't know. This was your measure structure, and what happening here in a lower time frame? I don't know. But in the question, you mark the like measure structure and minor structure. Okay. I will give Benjamin. Okay. I will start quick question answer after finish this one. Okay. So everyone. Okay. So I don't know what you did here and how you explain, but as per the structure, this one is a looks are good. Break the structure is here. Okay. All right. As per the structure is looks are good, but like lower time frame, taking out the inducement, go higher, break the structure, taking out the inducement, new structure shift here. Save the liquidity, next attempt, close profit, taking out the inducement and structure something like this, possibly downside. Okay. All right. So let's check few couple of question is here. Bank Nifty future. Okay. Taking out the inducement. Actually, at this point, it's looking not looking a valid pullback is here. So this is our single like a single move is here. Now let me show you exactly. This one. This one is a not a valid pullback. Why? Because market candles high is here and low is here. So these are all internal candlestick. Price must be taken out this one. So this become our valid pullback. But in this case, market did not break this low. Okay. So this is not our inducement. This is our single leg move. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. And now let's see another one. Measure trend. Okay. In a Euro USD daily time frame. Okay. The last one is here. Janki. Okay. Structure is looks good. Break the structure, taking out the inducement. Inducement, I think, can be lower, little bit lower if everything is a fit. Like broke the minor candle slow. But let's see. Okay. All right. So first person is finished almost. And now switch into the next one. Difference between IDM and change of character. So first thing, what is inducement and what is change of character? Inducement is a when market break the major high or low. You can say after break the structure, and then what happened? Market break the structure in a corrective way. You can say in a minor structure. So first internal minor structure high, or you can say internal first internal high or low is called inducement, and these happen most of the time between measure high or low. Okay. And what is change of character? Change of character when market is a bullish and tap on your PY zone, like maybe your PY can be your IFC candle, order block. Okay. And then market break the recent low. That's called change of character. Let me show you exactly through drawing so you can understand more better. Then I will do one by one. For example, is here market is a bullish, right? Something like this. Okay. And then what happened here? Market break the first low. So this one is your inducement, right? This one is your inducement to confirm this higher high. And then what happened? Market go again higher and again break this low. So this one is your inducement. In market create new structure, something like this. And same story happened in a bearish market. When market is a bearish, something like this, break this low and go higher, taking out this one high. So this high is called inducement. Okay. This is not change of character. And then what happened here? Market push downside and mitigate something in a 15-minute. Okay. And maybe 15-minute PY sweep. Sorry, measure low sweep. And then what happened here? Market break the structure. So this is not a inducement. This become our change of character. Why? Because market tap on your PY zone. Okay. When market tap on PY zone and break the first internal high or low, that's called change of character, not inducement. Okay. Inducement only happen like continuation trend. Okay. In a bullish market and bearish market, and change of character happen only the when market tap on your PY zone and sweep the measure high or low. Okay. So these are minor difference between this one, and I already posted a diagram. You can check on a Discord. Now let's see how to attach the chart here. Simply like it, copy the trading view chart URL and paste here, which is simple. Okay, like this. Okay, now let's see first one. Okay, so in this case, where is the inducement? Everyone. Okay. in a both side, in a bullish and bearish side, where is the inducement? Okay, perfect. Okay, so in the bullish market, where is the inducement? First thing you need to know, the first low is here. Okay, so this one is our inducement. If market sweep this measure high, okay, and if market sweep this measure high and taken out the liquidity, so this is not an inducement, this become your change of character. If market in a bullish trend and there is no sweep of the liquidity, there is not tap any PY, so this become our inducement. Okay, and then market push downside is here, and where is the our internal first internal low is here into downside. Why? Because market create move something this. Okay, break this low, so this is our first internal high, so this become our inducement, not this one. Okay, remember next time. So this one is our inducement and this low is a confirm. Okay, and this is not a change of character. All right, now let's see another one. Okay, so in this case, what happened here? Price currently bearish. Okay, change of character, inducement, perfect. Okay, change of character. Change of character. Okay, yeah, perfect. Now you can see which I'm talking here. Price tap on the PY zone, the first low broken, and that's called change of character. Okay, and change of character, and this is our inducement, not change of character, like internal change of character. This is was a major change of character is here. Perfect. Okay, looks very interesting. Good job. Now let's see another one. Okay, inducement, break the structure, sub PY zone, change of character, inducement. Okay, break the structure. Okay. At this point, which you mark here, if this is a PY, so this become our change of character. If this is a not PY, this is a like bullish market, so this become our inducement. Okay, so remember next time. All right, okay, now let's see another one. Okay, okay, so in this case, this is an inducement, change of character. If price tap on the on the demand zone, then this become our inducement, not change of character. let me show you. If price tap on the demand zone, so this become our new change of factor, not this one. Okay, because you can see market broke this low is here, right? So this is our first internal high, and this become our change of character. And this is a inducement. Okay, perfect, and go higher. Okay. All right. Okay, so in this case, oh, sorry. So in this case, same thing happening here. Inducement, and chalk. Chalk only happen when market tap on the demand and supply zone, not everywhere. Like if you mark this as a inducement, sorry, chalk. So this is a maybe inducement, but it's depend on the like structure and demand, like higher time frame structure first. Okay, because in this case, this is a general trend in a single time frame. Like you mark here, this is a PY type here. So this become our change of character, right? Okay. The last one is here. I think we took on this one. This is a very messy. Okay. Uh, First thing is here, this is not a break off structure. Break off structure happen only when market taken out the inducement. Okay. So I think you have joined recently. So you have to practice and do some back testing, and first study the structure like content, and then study the structure. Okay, but don't worry. The last one is here. In this case, taken out the inducement, perfect. Break the structure, inducement, okay. Inducement, perfect. Chalk pause. Okay, perfect. Looks very interesting. Why I'm focusing here to marking the structure and inducement, because these are the foundation in a smart money concept. If your structure is a wrong and your inducement is a wrong, then next step will be, most of the chances will be wrong, because these are foundation. That's why I'm focusing on structure and inducement, and this is a very important for you. And once you able to identify the structure, able to able to identify the inducement, okay, then your next step will be much better. Okay, but if your structure mapping is wrong, okay, then very highly chances your next step will be wrong. Okay, because structure is the first, and they first identify the structure, then second they identify the liquidity, and third identify the area of interest when we can take a risk for the buy and sell. Okay, which is called POI, AOI. Okay, so these are three things you need to know in a smart money concept. These are like backbone, you can say. You can't mark like this one, and if you are starting marking this like this one, so every measure high low is a respecting in every time frame in a left side. Okay, you have to focus on the current price action. Okay, the last question is here, flip entry module, and the 2 questions is a complete, and this is a last one. And after that, I will start some weekly forecast, and after that, some quick question answer. All right. Flip anti model, not sure. Okay. The first one is here. Flip is here. First thing, this one is a not flip. This is a SMT. Okay. Why? Because okay, this one is a not like a good example for the flip. Right. For example, is here. Let me show you exactly that how we can identify the flip. What do you mean like a flip? Flip when market tap on your order block and a POI, and then market give a reaction and unable to hold their level in a bullish market and bearish market and fail them. Then market create against, like if market is a bullish, okay, tap on the order block, they create supply. When your demand convert into supply, that's called flip. Okay. I'm going to show you exactly if I can find here any example is here, like this one is not. This one is also not a valid. Okay. I think there's no good example is here. Okay. This can be like if press type here is on this big. Okay. So big type here on this one, and the first candle is already mitigated by this move. Okay, so this area is not longer valid. Okay, because market already tap one and twice, 2 times is here, 3 times is. We can't use after the first tap of the candle. Okay. Okay, now let's see another one. Then we can find the perfect example if possible. So this one is a flip entry model. Okay, so right now here, this one is a not actual flip is here. This one is also not a valid flip entry is here. Flip means when market tap on your demand zone and convert into supply, or convert into tap on the supply and convert into demand. That's called flip. This can be a possible. Yes, perfect. Which I'm also writing here. This can be like tap here and filled here. Okay, so recent supply is here. Okay, so we can sell here also. Okay, there are different example is here. This one is a demand. Okay, this one could be here, like this one's reaction and go higher and fill this and tap on this order block and go higher. Same thing happen here. This can be flipped and tap here and go higher. Okay, so and I already explained in an ebook in a details, and I will publish soon about flip anti module, and a lot of new things are coming step by step. And if possible, tomorrow I will upload a new video about marking the structure and marking the order flow. And order flow is a very important, because after the order flow, the order block are created. Sorry, order block came from the order flow. Okay, so you have to understand first what is order flow. Sometime what happened, market did not tap your order block and market pushed downside and upside, and we are waiting to mitigate the extreme, but market did not tap the extreme, and market push downside or upside. Okay, so in that case, order flow will help you a lot. Okay, all right, so now let's switch into the another one. Euro USD. What is this? Flip. You can say this could be a your flip, but there is no inducement here. Sorry, there is no imbalance is here, but it's okay. This demand convert into supply. Actually, this one is already mitigated. So in this case, what happened here? Market like it's not much valid, but you can mark here as a flip. Like this is order block is here. Okay, push downside and go higher. Okay. The last one is here. Last question answer is here. Change of character. This one is not a flip entry model. I think you are struggling to identify the flip entry model. I will make a video shortly. Okay. But if you don't know exactly, and you can read in ebook. All right. So I will make a separate video to entry model in a flip. And this is a use very less time. That's why I did not make it, because most of the time entry taken out the inducement, sweep the liquidity, which is like highly uses in our strategy. But I will make another video about a flip entry module. All right, guys. So this one, all question is finished. Now the next one, which topic you are struggling is here. The identify. It's okay. Last one is here. This one is a looks good. Okay, but this one I think is a barely type here. And this can be your a flip anti model here, because in the first attempt type here, but did not break the structure and market push downside. Okay, yes, this one is a become like a valid entry. Okay. Now let's back into the topic. You forgot some. What is third one? Okay, next time I will do, because yeah, because to check every is not possible, because it's take a longer time. Okay, so the next one is a which topic you are struggling and how many days to join. Okay, market structure 1 day ago. Okay, okay, to marking the structure it's take a little bit time. And if you join recently, like 1 day ago, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, even 1 week ago, so doesn't matter. And it's take a little bit time to understand thing, and no need to worry anything. Okay, once we are able to identify the structure, then go on the like go ahead on the next topic. And don't try to mix all these things in a way. First, starting the correct mapping the structure. Once you able to identify the correct structure, then go on to the next one. Okay, like identifying the order block, identify the valid POI. This will be next step. If you are learning step by step, then you will be learn more faster and better. And if you are learning like mixing all these things, okay, then it's take a lot of time, because you will be confused. Like if you are marking the structure, okay, for example, you are marking the structure, and in that case you are actually marking the wrong structure, and the next thing you are applying like order block and entry, and those are failed. You will be confused that what happening here, why my entry is a fail, because you are marking the wrong structure. So first thing, start the mapping the correct structure. If your structure is the correct, next thing, most of the chances you will get like a good entry zone. Okay, so first one is identifying the structure, the identifying the liquidity, identifying the POI. Okay, so step by step do this thing. Okay, the next one suggestion is here: single candle entry and find valid POI, join about a week. Okay, so single candle entry is a not like a you don't need to switch into single candle entry in a starting, and it's take a time. First one, identifying the entry, like normal entry after chalk and inducement and enter, and after that you can apply into single candlestick. Okay, because it's a little bit a different like advanced and very aggressive entries in a single candle meditation. Okay, so you have to first remember, you have to focus on the like valid entry as per our entry module. When you are like when you are able to entry based on the chalk bars flip also, and you can also study in an ebook. Okay, so after that then go single candle meditation, because it's a very tough to understand in a starting, but once you once you starting the understand how it's work, this will be a game changer for you. Okay, struggling about minor inducement and major inducement, which one is we should take? Single candle confirmation entry, we can apply a kind of entry. Okay, to inducement, minor inducement and major inducement, it's most of the time these things happen. And what is the reason to take the minor inducement and major inducement? It's all about the order flow. Okay, so I will like I will make a video shortly, if possible today, and I upload tomorrow, that where I will all where I will like post and show you, teach you that how you can mark the correct order flow, and how you can use your like valid POI, and how we can identify the valid inducement, because order flow gives you more valuable things to understand a lot of things. Okay, entry type 1 and 2 3. Okay, you mentioned all entries. Okay, so before the marking entry, you have to mark the correct structure, and marking the like a valid like identify the liquidity, and after that entry is a third part. First part is a structure, and second part is a liquidity, and third part is the entry. And before the entry you have to mark the correct POI. Okay, execution of trade or taking entry. Okay, struggling. So start from the uh, smaller quantity, and if you have if you are starting, if you are in starting joined recently, then you can apply into demo account also. And once you are able to take a entry on the demo account, and then start from the live account in a smaller position. Don't focus on the what are you making and what is your output. Focus on what you have learned and how you are like a execution is a more important. Doesn't matter how much like how many quantities you are looking. Quantities doesn't matter. Okay, once you able to make a consistency profitable, Okay, then quantity doesn't matter. 2 months. Okay, learned a lot. Okay, thank you. The next one, ping pong entry into lower time frame. Okay, soon I will do. Join 3 week ago. Okay, so inducement. I hope in this webinar inducement will be clear to you. Any suggestion optional? What is this? I don't know. All is well so far. Okay, thank you. Count to. Can you do a video on a flip entry? Yes, I will do. Make a video. The in Hindi. For the Hindi medium students of Hindi Urdu mediums, I will make another Discord channel, and where I will add you for the Hindi mediums only, and because a lot of Hindi medium and members, so I will make another channel, and this community will be for only English members. Okay, so and which will be live for tomorrow, the Monday. Okay, so soon I will add you. The next one, fantastic content. Thank you. If possible, Mr. Khan, could you post in as a daily time market instruction in history? This the student can compare. Okay. You mean a markup? Okay, I will do. If possible, I will do. And because a lot of busy schedule for me, so if sometime I will to watch market and I am available, then I most of the time I share, but sometimes not share. Okay, but I will do in the next time. I would like to see more markups. Okay, and I compare. Okay, I will do. Make more one-to-one session. Okay, no, nope, everything is good. Okay, please make at least 15-minute video of each entry criteria for exclusive members. All right. Please make 3 entry videos, each one carries in each entry. First video on entry type 1, only different example 2, 3, and okay. More webinar, live calls, backtesting session. Okay, I will do. Don't worry. So this was the homework and suggestion, and so everyone done a good job, and you have learned a lot of new things, and what are you doing wrong and what are you doing correct. Okay, and now you have seen that where is you are doing wrong. Okay, so you have to mark the structure is a correct first thing, and identifying the liquidity inducement, and third is identifying the POI when we can take an entry for the buy and sell. So 3 things you need to know only. Okay, and why I'm focusing these 3 things, because these are backbone. If you are if you are become to master in these 3 things, then you can crack SMC. Okay, and this will be definitely game changer for you. This is a not a tough, this is a very easy, but you have to understand how things is a work. Okay, and start study step by step and very peacefully. Can you check flip anti model URL? I want to know what is correct or not. Where you post? I don't know. Bro, PDF means ebook will updated new version possible. Ebook is like a every ebook is a previous one, and there is a not update here, and I'm looking for the update in the next after a few months, and maybe possible end of the year, after 3-4 months, I will update this ebook with new latest example and new theory and new concept. Third one, flip 1, 2, 3. Okay. This one I already checked here. Okay, so now let's back into the weekly forecast, and now let's quick weekly forecast. After that, I will start quick question answer. Then I will finish the session, and from the next week, I will add some new things in the weekly webinar. So start with Euro USD in a daily time frame perspective. So what happening in a daily time frame and what we can expect in upcoming days. I don't know what happened here.
अच्छा सर, एक क्वेश्चन और था सर
हम्म
कि जैसे लोअर टाइम फ्रेम में अगर सर मैपिंग करते हैं स्ट्रक्चर का, तो सर मतलब कैसे देखना, स्टार्ट कहाँ से करना होगा सर, मतलब एक रूल बेस के साथ? कभी कभी लगता है सर कि पीछे बड़ा स्ट्रक्चर होगा कुछ ऐसा, तो मतलब जैसे 15 मिनट से अगर स्टार्ट करते हैं डे ट्रेडर स्ट्रक्चर मैपिंग करना, तो वो मतलब क्या कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे?
You have to start from the top of the structure. I mean, when you have to identify when market pushing downside, which level market pushing downside, or which market pushing upside. So mark the bottom or top of the structure and then start mapping the structure. You don't need to go more lower like in a previous side. Okay, and I will show you. And here, so first of all, here we can see in a daily time frame structure, market is a bearish, and this is our first internal like recent structure is here, break of structure, push downside, and after that, where is our inducement in this case? At least this is our minor inducement is here. Okay, and the major inducement is here. Okay, so if market taken out this first one, we can also sell. If market taken out this one, we can also sell. All right, so now let's see. Market go higher, taken out the inducement, and we can sell. So this is our daily time frame structure in a Euro USD, and we are expecting market go higher and then push downside. If market unable to break this high, then market create new structure, something like this. Okay, and this high become our inducement and go higher, tap on this order block, and then market push downside. Okay, so this is our possible scenario in a Euro USD in a daily time frame perspective. And if you can switch into the 15-minute, then you can identify structure. First one is here, that how we can mark this mapping the structure in a daily time frame. There are two ways to identifying the structure. First one, mark the recent structure. Okay, and second one, when which level market push higher. Like for example here, this is our lowest point when market push higher. So you can start mapping the structure is here. And the second one is here, mark the recent like recent break of structure. Where is the our recent break of structure or change of character? Okay, so if you are marking the like a recent structure, so you can mark this one. No, you have to check little bit previous side, that this one is a internal structure or a major structure. So you can find the our actual structure is here. Okay, and this is our lower low. Then you can see here, after this change of character is here, because market is a bullish and market go higher, and this is our break of structure is here, and this like this. Okay, and then what happened, this is our all internal structure, and market tap on the extreme one and push downside. What we can expect here, at least taken out this low, market taken out this low, and this is a move complete. After taking out the liquidity, after sweep the liquidity, market push higher. Okay, and this is an indication for the reversal, indication for the deeper pullback, and market go higher and again taking out this. Okay, and this can be your inducement also, and then market taken out the inducement and can be pushed downside, and also this can be your like change of character. Why? Because market sweep the liquidity, and after sweep the liquidity, this big act like a inducement, sorry, a demand zone, right? So you have to pay attention here to develop price action, something like this. If price change of character, taken out the inducement and buy. If market unable to hold this zone and break this low, give reaction and push downside. Taken out the inducement and we can start sell into downside. Right. So these two possible scenario here in a Euro USD in a 15-minute structure. And now let's see in a GBP USD. And the same thing happening in a GBP USD in a 15-minute structure. If you are marking the like a for the daily time frame perspective, so you can mark the recent structure is here, like here. Okay, because market break the structure is here, because we are a day trader. 15-minute single leg is enough for you. Okay, break the structure, taking out the inducement is here, and then market push downside, and the lower low is our next target, and market again break the structure is here, and after break the structure, where is the inducement in this case? Where is the inducement in this case, everyone? Where is the inducement, everyone? This is a tricky for you. Okay. Okay, correct. This one. Okay, perfect. Actual inducement is here. This one is a not inducement. Why? This is our low candle and high candle, which is not sweep, and this is our internal. This is a not valid pullback. Why? You know, candle's high is here, candle's low is here, and this is our internal. Okay, so in this leg, this is our valid pullback is here. Why? Because it's taken out the previous candle high, and this become our new inducement like this. Okay, and the next possible scenario, if market push downside and break this minor low, so this become our new inducement like this. Okay, all right. So this is a possible scenario in a GBP USD, and right now these 3 points is here. First one is here. Okay, and right now if market break this low, so this can be next one. All right, so I think we should start some question answer for the next 10 minutes, and then I will finish this session.
सर एक बार बैंक निफ्टी का भी देख लीजिए ना सर, डे व्यू.
Okay, bank nifty sweep the previous high is here, which is means market looking for the deeper pullback, and when which is the next stop will be at least this low, possibly, and maybe market go something like this also, because this is a like move like this. Okay. So this is our lowest low, and this is internal range between this high and this low. Okay. All right. So anyone other question?
Is there any method to identify when we should use order block and when we should use order flow? Because sometimes market is not reaching the order block. It's just filling the order flow and it is continuing the trend.
Exactly. Order flow is a first one. Like order flow is a mandatory and order block is not mandatory. Sometime, not sometime, and even most of the time, market fill your order flow and market push higher and lower. Order block is our secondary confirmation, and we just use for the for the reduced risk. Okay. And a lot of people are thinking that order block is a SMC and this one is a area. No, most of the time your order flow will be tapped. If your order flow tap, then very highly chances, okay, that your order block may be not tap, because order flow is a important, not order block. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And another question.
Yes.
Sometimes I have seen that market has not reached the order flow and it just reversed.
Sometime market did not reach your order flow, then those high act like an inducement or engineering liquidity most of the time. And I'm making a deep video in a details about this concept, because this is a like for most of the traders is facing same thing. So I decided to make a video which will help to all members, and this video completely will be like you can say game changer for you. So if possible, I will upload it today or tomorrow. Okay.
Is the video ready or you have to just record it?
No. I will record this video, because I wanna make a quality of content, not a normal video. That's why it's taking a lot of time, because this video can be like 40, like 1 hour also, 40 to 1 hour also, 40 minutes to 1 hour also.
No problem. Just waiting for it.
Yeah.
Sometimes I have seen that the order flow is here, but the market will go down, fill this fair value gap, and then just go above from there. And there is no order block, no order flow. So where should I take
in this
the
case
entry?
market taken out the inducement.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Look, inducement, once market taken out inducement, and then what happened here, market can be reverse, market can be like continuation and a reverse, because inducement is the first like a priority compared to the order flow. Look, like you can understand something like this. First one, marking the structure. Okay. And the second priority is your inducement. Okay. Not your order flow. The first priority is your inducement. After that, third priority is your order flow. And after that, order flow is a fourth priority, your order block. So this is a serial. First one is structure, second inducement, third is order flow, and four is a order block.
Okay.
Okay. And when market taken out the inducement, we can start buying or selling if everything fit in your criteria for the buy and sell. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, can I ask a question, please?
Yeah.
I wanted to find out engineering liquidity and inducement. What's the difference between them two?
First internal high is a high or low is a inducement, and the extreme high or low is called engineering liquidity. Let me show you through drawings, then you can understand. Like for example, is a market is a bearish, okay, break the structure is here, and then what happened here? Market break this like structure is here, and the where is the our first internal high is here, okay. So if market go higher and taking out this one, so this is our inducement, okay. And
Okay.
and in this high and low, between this high or low, where is the extreme lower high? I'm talking about the internal structure. So this one.
Yeah.
So this one is our engineering liquidity. You can say in another word, extreme order block. Below the extreme order block is a high is our engineering liquidity. Correct.
But I also saw in the last explanation you did,
Mhm.
that extreme high was the inducement. So I'm kind of confused.
Mhm.
How do you know when it changes and when it stays the same?
Sorry, I did not get you. What are you saying? Can you repeat
So
again?
there was an explanation you did earlier,
Mhm.
and the extreme high was the inducement, and
Yeah.
then after that was the supply zone, but now on this one, the extreme high is the engineering liquidity.
No.
So I'm kind of confused.
No. First internal high is your inducement in a bearish market, and same thing apply in a bullish market, right? When market break the structure is here, so first internal low is called our inducement is here, okay.
Okay.
And the extreme one is our engineering liquidity.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. So anyone have any
I
question?
have one more question, but for that, I think you will have to look at the picture, which I can share in the community chat Discord server.
Mhm.
So actually, I was rewatching the videos of the SMC,
Mhm.
and then I found a structure that you have marked in the video, and I was wondering how is that an order block? I mean, I wanted to know.
Mhm.
I am sending it in the community chat, the chart.
Okay.
You can check it. I just wanted to know how to know that it is an order block, because
Oh.
I have seen it in many charts that it actually works. Market really goes up from there, but I don't know how to identify that those candles are order blocks.
Okay. Can you show me on chart section?
I have shared it in the Discord server community chat.
Okay, wait, let me check. Okay.
I wondered how to mark that OB, how to identify that it is an order block.
So, which part? This one?
In both pictures.
Okay. So after taking out the inducement, I mark the order block, and after taking out the inducement, if like here, for example, is here. Let me show you. Market break the structure is here, correct? So we can mark this one is also order block. Okay. And we mostly I mostly like after taking out the inducement, I'm also looking for the order block. If there is order block which is good for me and for the additional confirmation, if not available, then which is also fine for me, because main thing is a inducement. Okay, when market taken out the inducement and then market keep any reaction is here, like here, and then we can buy. Okay, so order block is a tapping, so which is very good. If not, so also fine. Okay. So after taking out the inducement, you have to identify where is order block, wait for the mitigate or not, and wait for the like what price is reacting here. So it's depend on the situation. So don't be confused there.
Okay.
Mhm.
That's all from my side. I just had these 3 questions only.
Mhm. All right, guys. So if anyone have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, we should finish this session. And if I have any other question after that, you can ask me also in a Discord section. Okay. All right. All right, so I think everyone have all question is completed, and from the next week I'm going to start something new for you on the weekend, and I will do a back testing session for every week, and where I will give you live training, like, okay, and I will ask one by one question to marking the using annotate, and on a specific topic, sometime on the structure, sometime on the order block, sometime on the order flow, okay, which will help you a lot to understand thing, okay. And the and for the homework, I will stop, I'm going to stop this thing, providing the homework, because homework is very good, but our community is like everyone every day is joining new members. So for the new members, it's a little bit tough to participate in the homework. Okay, if someone joined 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, then those guys, I will do homework. But for the new members, is not possible, because every week I increase toughness of the question. So it's a little bit uh, tricky and tough for the everyone. So I'm going to start weekly back testing session, which will help you a lot, and weekly bar play back testing session. Any possibility on live trading, sir? Yes, I will do a live trading session also start, and in this day little bit busy schedule, and that's why I'm not active on the, like, in on a Discord also, but I will do start again once I'm finished all these things. And if someone join, if you join recently for the 2-3 days ago or even a week ago, so you don't need to worry anything, and try to understand how things actually working, and keep more practice and more practice. And first of all, go step by step. Okay, first structure, and take at least 2 weeks for the structure, mapping the structure. Structure is very important. Okay, then go on the next topic to identifying the where is the liquidity, where is the liquidity, where is the inducement, and then after clear these things, and then go on the third thing, because 3-4 things is enough in the smart money concept. You don't need to remember all these things, all concept, because every concept is not working 100%. Every concept is not failed every time. Okay, so you have to follow only higher probability zone, high probability concept, which will actually give you more potential rewards. Okay, what about trade breakdowns? Yes, I will do also trade breakdown, and you can also do a trade breakdown if you've been in any trade, and you can record the trade breakdown, and you can send to me. I will edit them and upload on Discord, which will help to all other members. Okay. All right, guys. So thank you so much. All right, guys. So thank you, and have a nice day. Okay, have a nice day, and have a nice weekend for everyone, and see you in the tomorrow when market will be open. For the New York members, market is I think 4 like after 5 hours market will be open. All right, thank you so much for everyone.